no man say man me very boring.
At the massimi, I had a very valid point so I kasa phone. Say comment Spain, nasa wano numbi, nasa numbia, wakwa manfo, wano numbina numbia, wako boat asi, wano numbina numbia, wasi ya boring. Wako gwenechi, wakwa large base, wana wabo re, wabo trufonta, wabo high grade. Nese, anumbia, wasi ya boring. Takwa for one team. Wako railways nature wanna say one rina numbia what's ya boring. Wako nkubia suwana wari botri fontana numbia what's ya boring. Into how, brother. One ready in him ready mo jino wa ya belafa. Na numbia what's in your guy, brother. Okay, you could say that come in your guy in a being natural.
No, I can't change junkie. Where my life make messy. The addiction got me stealing. Now I come to prison.
Ejima me design kofu when my addiction. One re, one more red, one more 225 me sisi ejina one I am a dani junkie. Was I
don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusia wa frey me yembra wo frey me ye about chede na ye penny ye munta. In that ye 15th of April or ye Kofi Kinaata ne birthday. Na 15th April na ke ye debia. Most of the times, you know, we expect sensible songs to drop on this continent. No enyom bidamno opapa ofri hwana wo free Kofi Kinaata wo. Na Kinaata drop a beautiful song called Aban Kaba. I'm sure some of you have seen the videos or pictures flying on social media. What Aban Kaba? This is Aban Kaba, simply known as handcuff. Now, before Baban, I personally spotted this picture on social media. Now, in the picture, ya brent your friend Ibrahim, crime check. Na oyobia no yin Christian atwnyini ye dwuma when it comes to prisons ni hu dwuma. Nti mo hu de onyansanyi obenfo oye nyimzinyi Kofi Kinaata oyene twetwe nkomo na I knew that something great is coming. Nti what drop nyoma ne title na say Aban Kaba. Na the lyrical dexterity and the accoutrements and the details of the song will let you know the padino yimnyansa. I'm not surprised there Otumfo oye Osetutu the overlord of Ashanti Kingdom. Kofi Kinaata any favorite musician. Only na ordinary odifa adwendibu asante man. Ebusiafo woman yen react to this beautiful song.
Says she's on it.
Senyem session sound engineer na onye donzi na Kofi Kinaata ye onyame saye yi aye. Metso nyomano, that is the sound engineer, and so you should expect greatness. Some fancy catch all the muhunyan kana ketria simply in plain words and also had I know is always at last. It's Kofi Nyoman in intro nyen. Anyanku grube brebe yo. Too much of phrase. It be the reason why quarter crab, you know, get head. It's in our frack crab, a ya club crab, or a headless. What care too much about what swayers in the world and say?
Guess that.
Lend me your yes, make I tell you something. On my waso and I'm casa be chowed.
No super, but a cheaper and shenko.
It's a proverb in our catch. Yes, and also pa bete cheaper runkum. The world itself is a big world. The world itself, it be small world, but cheaper. You don't go inside. Kofi.
Now the Ashanafa.
Onya was a share for nipa de say bi wo ha wo friend no long sleeves because no sa hawen.
Kademu wini yanka. Enyi gbe ana guy man. Biala nchini fie yansa.
Enyi bueye another guy man a guy di enyi wo che ni fie yansa. You understand what he's trying to say? Me say you go talk say you there you be Gen Z, you know what's up. Know what's up where they pass home sense. Because after all this what's up guy they do if you know end you well kwasia.
Mama chila modo. Daddy pode wala for share.
If mommy a shower do papa shower done and tete pa.
Mbeke bi obeye na ma show mesi ade. Na sayanku 70 day be a different story.
Too much friends into the beer what is different stories but who fear the graphic showbiz.
No man say man be me very boring.
At the massimi I had a very valid point so there kasa phone. Say comment Spain nasa wono numbi nasa numbia wakwa manfo wono numbi na numbia wako boat ase wono numbi na numbia wasi ya boring wako gwenechi wakwa large base wona wobo ri wobo trefonta wobo high grade nese anumbia wasi ya boring takwa for one team wako railways nature wana se wanum ri na anum bia wase ya boring wako nkubia so wana ware botwe fontana anum bia wase ya boring into how brother wanum ready inyim ready mo wogina wa aye belefa na anum bia wase nya guy brother okay yin kote dan kamen ya guy na benyina achel.
No I can't change junkie. Where my life make messy. The addiction got me stealing. Now I come to prison.
Ejima mediza nyakofu wene chima addiction. Wano num ri, one more red, one more 225 mesisi ejuna wana aire. Ema adani junkie. Mbwaza ye.
Sene umuwa. Aban Kaba damansa. Nyako. No answer man yo.
Nyanko body bebre no wasem yin.
I walk on the mente.
Wakabe brain and you know lesson.
No answer man yo.
No wasem yin that being jejereje matter you get.
I am cool bebre. No answer man yo.
Anyanko brain and kwasiaze bebre nyina no hwe ya nyi prison o.
School when you mo question baby. No answer man yo.
In a chere, edutun when I would to move through school wall into a guy, a toy rough.
Gangsta, I am a Yamalofa. No answer man.
Telling me I go running movement to my pick, you know, a rion, a ri inyon, ye ri, mamma nye wan wa because I'm sure they be where bro fubo quick pay once a womb and anchor full. Kofi Kinaata na sass is when you tria. Or to that 5 and 6. Or to that Bafana phone. Or to that ball and a pete.
One Sunday morning, I go drop my fee and I get for that
tell them a story, me ya me church me at church.
I won't go balling. And Mutu special be me them my friends.
Hey!
We do mixes. We've been drinking alongside some guys.
Kwasi and Sankwati.
Look fine, still I want drive. Where I can knock somebody.
Ah!
So we rush and go hospital. Survivor chance so little.
Oh!
Doctor, yeah, still now I yeah.
Obeda na ye. Oh, kawabe fie.
Mama de call upon the son on you, Salwa, yeah.
Jesus Christ. Asam no mamin chom in case dance here. Kofi Kinaata mora catch on a simple story. There is a guy who saw wisdom in taking the year in a number to church. But I quite a traditional, you know. All the Sundays, our boys better was share with Simmons, our better was share Cape Coast. I decided meet him there, what better was share, you know, Eriko Takwa, F bypass, Anajuana full joint bi wo ho Sunday wo ke kodu 2way inti we ke san wife na ba what asare o se do to no bo no okwan brother what ase what for thoughts what for foundation or the kids mutu we boys were training into woman pressure unnecessary driving and speeding into brother waking accidents wakobo bio wakobo besia no so bueno or painful doctors are try that will reviving what the damazia anyonye sis in the chest still the woman says she no go wake up she die a friend so sheni ye fum na wewu ekunyimpo too hey on a school wa friend DP double punishment anyankododo peer pressure and a drinking and driving into baby asisi ekowie Aban Kaba no go win say handcuff go win say now you would have to spend your Easter and Christmas in once a womb now wa show Jesse orange and other blue and now I shall white was the black star boom. Nyamya wa adoma e danka for 3 days. I was over banse wom 3 days. Was waba snack kwa kuse prison 3 days. And I ran a shift to a prisons. In yim baby mpoet nti wabasra wonyim baby obabasra. Kofi Kinaata is using this opportunity to advise you. The menwenwa ndawo futiet for kwajes ken boy when you wanna watch this. Man yan kwasi ade in my main Spain it's na nya wode mo chene bi won fa Aban Kaba won fongu wonsa. That's exactly the wisdom that I Pakorich collaboration with Kofi Kinaata on his birthday Aban Kaba and your money else catch show. Te men the boys which name cotton so shame.
I beg you call my wife for me. Make she no say me the prison. What arrested by police.
When you not kebe fi and badaba have a sex and abo at the prison air consume obisu that for which
drunk and driving be the reason. Send Aban Kaba mensa.
And Kofi Kinaata when it comes to music sense or you're wild. And you're man what targeting well and when with the road safety for the one harbor del nana kwesi kumsin PR or bet cash or Joe
no sama yo.
I share the prison for so crap outside it as ambassador. Show no look shows ourselves. And you my prison for what done what's about there. They have regretted what you have done. The Kofi Kinaata wapon. And on common begging fuso slay queens now one once nephew a preparing quasi preparing girls na but what do na shisha genja in our watching. No one yoman abon besia so to me that cells prison mo ye.
School when you question baby.
What's all school SCM sexy or Dutchany BBR.
Gangsta, I am a Yamalofa. No one sama yo.
Gangsta one certain Obinazo Chalame we pick the run in every some iPhone Elurian watching about them. Beautiful song produced by Seshi. Breakdown well managed, well explained by DJ Pakorich. Song is available on Amazon, iTunes, Audiomack, and YouTube. Video will drop very soon. Area show. As usual, in Sankundi de cheer. Kofi wana boy or Dikro another one. 2 bars. Big shout outs to you, Ojo. Nana kwesi kumsin anero denke abe kukwasa. Eja pabe the squad ida. Aban Kaba renda yensa da. Well managed reaction. My name is DJ Pakorich. Follow me on all the social media platforms. Na yen vibe. Yen yansa summoners uguyetri mche.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.